Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello, welcome students. Welcomes you all today in class 12th English from the Vistas book. We will just discuss today about chapter number 2, The Tiger King by Kalki. My dear students, in this chapter basically we will just discuss about what is the general attitude of human beings toward wild animals, and basically this story is based on the king of Pratibandhapuram. Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the Tiger King, and he gets that name for his skill in killing tigers. So in this chapter we will discuss about what is a scene of like the king of the Pratibandhapuram and why he used to kill all the tigers, and why because of killing the tigers his name is just on the name just as the Tiger King. So we will just continue with the story, and in this story the story is like the 10 days old boy was there, and when he was born, basically he was born in the Pratibandhapuram. Pratibandhapuram was a kingdom, and in that the Maharaja was born, and he is the basically main hero of this story. So when he was born, the basically he was known about different kind of the names, and that names are just ACTC, MAD, KRCK. So this is their Jung Bahadur Jilani. So many different kind of the names used to people's call to him. So this story was there when that boy was born, that prince was born. The astrologers just announced that this boy very soon will be died. So when this astrologer just given this announcement, so after the few same time that the 10 days boy just asked him, it's nothing new, it's nothing special, that everybody used to die. What is the special thing that the person knew? What is the main reason behind my death? What is the special thing is there? So after that the astrologer told him that one day you will killed by a tiger. One day the tiger will killed by you. So he was just thinking about that. So said it's not you can say, if I'll just make your what you are giving the words, if I can just take it in the wrong way, I can just make you a wrong. When the boy used to just given the announcement of this type of the announcement, the astrologer is just totally shocked, and he gazed his spectacles, and he just keeping a keen observation on that boy, because all those who are born will one day have died, and we don't need your predictions to know that. These were the words from that prince, and there would be do something sense if you could tell us the manner and that of the death. The royal infant uttered these words, and the little squeaky voice, why? Because that the boy who used to speak out these words, he was too small. He was just 10 days old child was there. The chief astrologer placed and his finger of his nose in wonder, because the baby already had barely 10 days, and he is just asking us such a incredible and the intelligent question to the astrologer, because there is a sense. He is not even the speaking, even he is asking the meaningful question also. So he said, you may think the crown prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into the quack when he heard the word tiger, because astrologer already told him, you will just kill the tigers, you have to beware from the tigers. So in this way, when this crown prince a deep growl and terrifying words emerged from his lips. What his lips emerged the words ki beware from the tigers, or let tigers be fair. Because let tiger beware the means is there, the little prince had a courage. So after slowly or gradually, he just used to be a grown up day by day into the English atmosphere, all the things, he just getting all the facilities as per the English atmosphere. So as per as day by day he used to grown, at the age of the 20 year, when he became a 20-year old young boy was there, so he killed a first tiger in his life, first tiger killed by him. So slowly or gradually, he just day by day killing one by one tigers in his kingdom. So after that, as he just growing up, matured up, so he found there is just day by day the tigers quantity is becoming less because he is killing the tigers. So number of the quantity is less. So one day he used to call Divan and he asked him, just find out a state where I can get a one good, intelligent, beautiful girl as for the marrying, and main condition is this, that the state must have the tigers, because the reason is to getting marriage also, that he find the state where he can get the more and more tigers, so that he can just complete his target. Because as per the king's words, the Divan was so, you can say, thinking about that if he would be a failure to fulfill the demand or as per the requirement of the king, so might be that the king can give him a punishment, or he can get another kind of, you can say, treatment. So by leaps and bounds, he used to find out the state where he can get the princess that the king can get married with her. So very soon he get a one place, and that the in that place there were the queen princes were there, and the tigers also present over there. So the king was very happily married with that queen, and after that, whenever he used to go on the same place, he used to just kill the tigers. So before that, what was the incidents when he was in his kingdom? The king was in his kingdom. The one day, the visitors, the Englishmen used to came in his kingdom, and they just had a, you can say, a request or the demand to the king that they want to kill a tiger. So the king totally denied this. Why he denied? Because he thought if he will just allow them to kill the tiger, so that the number of the quantity will be a less. Because he want to finish up his target. And why he is just in haste to finish the target? Because he know if he would be unable to complete his task, so that tiger will kill to the king. So that is why he denied to that Englishman, he will not allow to kill any tiger as such in his own kingdom. So after that, when they went from his kingdom, so the king thought if he will not he refuses them, and if he refuses, so the Englishman used to request him about the photo. They want to have the photograph with the died tiger, but he denied this also, because might be he thought if I allow them for the photography, so other persons used to be request for the same thing. So main intention is this, he don't want to be a interference of any outsider, that he can kill the tigers, or he would be interfered in his kingdom to just do the hunting and all. Because the thing is this, he is very curious to complete his task, and after that, when he denied this, he realized also. What he realized, if I just totally denied them, and might be they would be angry, or might be he can just lose his state or his kingdom, because Englishmen were there, and in that time period the International Congress kingdom time was there. So what he did, he just sent 50 diamond rings. He offered that diamond rings, and that he diamond rings used to send to the Englishman's queen, and he just sent as a gift. So he when he sent that 50 diamond rings to the queen, so what she did, she just kept all the rings with her, and the cost of that the bill came, that the bill totally came 3 lakh rupees. When bill came to the king. So it was just a very surprising also, and the divan also came, and the divan just told him, sir, this is the bill, and for this we have to pay. But king was very happy and very satisfied mood. Once he thought, I offered just 50 rings, and I thought the queen can might be just select one or two rings, but she used to kept all the rings with her. But satisfactory this, there is no problem regarding the for his state or any interference as such, and within 30 lakhs everything, all the matter is used to sort out. So already I told you, divan in that time period find out the queen, and he get married over there, and whenever he gets a time, he used to go in his in-laws home, and he kill the tigers also. So as per that, slowly or gradually the numbers came very near to what his target was, to complete 100 tigers to kill. And the time when he complete or he killed the 100th tiger, in that time he would be a totally safe, or you can say tension free. So slowly or gradually the king's in-laws kingdom also, day by day the number of tigers just becoming less. So what was happen, one day the king used to heard this, there is a sheep lost. He extremely happy because he got, after a long time, he got a very you can say happy news that the sheep lost. So he thought this is a task, or this is a work only done by the tiger only. So he just what with his happiness, he just 3 years tax exempt from the peoples. But when he realized after accepting the tax also, he is not getting the tiger, so again he just double the tax. So in this time the peoples were so angry and so worried also, and divan is also so you can say careful about the situation, because now somewhere you can say the king is about to mad to complete his task. So what was happen? Devan just thought a idea, because the king ordered him, if I'll not get the tiger, so I just exempt the tax double and double day by day. And somewhere Devan is also very painful for all the situation. So he thought that I would just keep a tiger into the bring from the Madras park, and I keep that tiger into the park, and I will just tell to the king that there is a tiger. So same thing as per the plan of the Divan just brought a tiger, and he used to just make keep him there in the park. And he told to the king that we saw there is one tiger used to be roamed over there. So what was happened, with his all troop and all, the king used to go for the hunting to that tiger, because it is very energetic, it is very, you can say, happy mood for the king, because this is the last tiger, and after killing this tiger, the task of the king is about to complete. So when they saw the tiger was so lazy, just standing on his just motionless position. He just you can say just offering to the king, just come and kill me. So in the same way, meanwhile, what was happened, the king just shoot the tiger, and when the bullet used to give, and the tiger used to fall down. And after that the king was so happy, oh wow, I killed the tiger. So he told to the peoples, those were with him, all the warriors, or the you can say surroundings over there. He told them, just pick up the tiger and just brought it into my kingdom, and I will have a photo with all those previously the tigers those were killed by the king. And he had a one thing, very special thing, that when he used to kill the tiger, he had a one photograph of that tigers. So this is the last. So what was happened, so when the soldiers used to reach near the tiger, that the peoples were in the company with the tiger. So he saw that the tiger is alive. He is not killed as such. He just faint, because the tiger was too thin, too lazy. He used to come from the zoo. So you can see the condition of the animals, basically those brought it from the zoo. So he was faint. So what was happened? Everybody was in the tension. If we just pass the information to the king, so king might be angry. So if we not take a diet king, so what will be happen? So what they done? They shoot that tiger by themselves and brought it to the king, and they said, "Your Highness, this is the tree." So this is the time when the king was totally relaxed and tension free, and he thought his task is complete. Now what was happened? The main climax of the story, because here the situation, the astrologer's word is about to complete. So now after this task, the king went to the market, and this is the occasion of his son's birthday. So he want to be a one gift for him. So what? He find out all the market, everything is there. Then he saw one wooden tiger is there. So when he saw the wooden tiger, he used to ask the shopkeeper about the price. Shopkeeper think in his mind, if I'll tell to the 1 cent only, so it is very less, because kings want to offer this gift as his son's birthday. So he just increased the rates, and he told him, this is especially for you of this cost. So he very happily he brought that toy tiger king king bought that toy tiger, and he played with his son. When he used to play it with his son, there was a one nail, and that was picked in his hand. And after that, when it was picked in his hand, slowly or gradually, all the infections used to spread in his hand. So what was the scene is there, surgeons used to come to operate him. So finally, infection was in very high level. So after the surgery, the surgeons given the announcement, surgery is complete, but the king is died. So my dear students, I think you understand the story about how we start the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the tiger king, and how he completed his task. But the one day how the astrologer's word or astrology used to be a true, and he died only through that wooden tiger. So this was all about the story, and you go through by the full chapter. Thank you.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.